Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Angel Numbers deck, draw a card, and discover your spirit guide's divine message by Mystic Michaela. This is published by Simon & Schuster. Thank you so much to them for sending this my way. I am very excited because I own the Angel Numbers book, so I am super excited to see what the cards are like. I have not read through every single page here, but if you own the book, maybe you might like the cards. So this retails for $19.99 in the US and $26.99 in Canada. And let's get into it. Your spirit guides are angel numbers or distinct number sequences to communicate important messages to you. With the Angel Numbers deck, you no longer have to wait for these numbers to appear serendipitously on clocks, license plates, or book pages. Simply draw a card to access your guide's advice whenever you need it. Inside, you'll find 100 cards, wow, filled with both the typical angel numbers like 111 and 222 and other popular non-repeating numbers like 123 and 716. Every card provides all the information you'll need right at your fingertips, including each number's deeper meaning, along with advice for incorporating the divine messages into your daily life. Draw a card and discover the spiritual guidance waiting for you with the Angel Numbers deck. All right, I am excited, like I said. I do love the angel number concept. I think it's a great way of tapping in. All right. So yeah, that is a lot of cards. Okay, and we just have a little pamphlet, which makes sense because I don't think we're going to need too much in a guidebook. So we do have the introduction, which I will read here. Numbers are everywhere, from the price of groceries to the estimated time of arrival. They are helpful, universal messages in daily life. That's why they make a perfect medium for your angel guides to connect with you. What is an angel guide? An angel guides, or simply angels, are divine vibrations tasked with helping you thrive. The numbers they send you repeatedly are significant. They communicate guidance, warnings, praise, and more. This deck will assist you in seeking out and understanding these messages. Here you will find 100 number cards, each with a description of that number's deeper meaning, as well as steps for applying that message to your life. These cards represent important divine questions and life themes. Before you use the deck, read through this pamphlet for everything you need to make the most of each card draw, from overarching number themes to different ways of using the deck. Divine guidance is waiting. Just draw a card. So here we go with how to use this deck. In the following sections, you will uncover everything you need to know about the numbers, using the card deck to reveal your angel's divine wisdom. So understanding repeating themes. So 000 to 199 invoke the manifestation powers of the universe, and 200 to 299 embrace gratitude and trust. Then we have so on and so forth, what it means. I won't go into more depth with that. You can screenshot, and then forging a personal connection to the deck. Using the deck looks like you can do however you want. Drawing a card information, and then preparing to reveal divine wisdom. Awesome. Okay, I'm excited. We'll put that aside. The back, I love this like ombre, spiritual, like heaven looking background. Aurora. Sure, Natasha, you know exactly what you're talking about. The cards themselves are a little bit on the thinner side. I wouldn't call them paper, but they are very flexible, very thin-ish. They're thinner than, maybe what you would normally like. However, there's 100 of them. So if you're going to shuffle them, it's going to be better to have them on the thinner side than a thicker side. And of course, if you want to shuffle the cards, you can split the deck up in half. You can shuffle however you want to do so. It is up to you. All right, let's get going here. I absolutely love the layout. We have the numbers, what the title is, what it means, and then message on the card as well. So I'm going to kind of go through it pretty quickly because there are 100. And if you feel like you want to pause the video at any time, you can do so. But we're getting keywords here: connect, make magic. What I love about this too is that it is sectioned out. And you can go directly to the angel number that you saw in the wild as well and kind of figure out what it means through this. I like this. I think this is a really good tool for those of you who are new to angel numbers, for a meditation practice, for a daily pull. I like how you don't really need a guidebook at all. Channel anxiety. Ooh, that was a call out for myself. I'm really enjoying these keywords. And what we'll do is we'll shuffle them and, you know, pull a card and actually read what it means on the video. And then what I would like to do is compare the card that we pull to the number in the book to see if they say the same thing. Help incoming, love that. I love the different colors, so they code exactly with what the little pamphlet was saying. Love this. 444 is one of my go-to numbers that I see a lot. Some of these are new to me. You know what would be a fun practice too is like the number sequences in your phone number, or if you're in the US, like your social security, see if you can find those number sequences in the deck here. 555 is another popular one. 777, 999. This is interesting. You would think like at least in my generation, the 411. What's the 411? Okay. Personal responsibility. I'm liking this. I feel like this is very helpful. I like that it is pretty inexpensive. I feel like $19.99 is a really good starting point for a mass-produced deck. And it has 100 cards, so I'm not mad at that price tag. Especially with everything on the card, this makes sense, as well as it's very beginner friendly. There's so many possibilities. 777. So not every number, you know, I am in the wild would view as an angel number, but there are some that just strike me right then and there. And I'm like, I remember that sequence. And then I'll go and look it up because I'm like, why did that stick with me so much? That is why it was a little message from the spirit team or the universe or your angels, however you see fit to call it. Donate your time. Love that. Love the little messages. Interesting. Didn't know that. Makes sense. There's the 999. Very cool. Okay, I am going to attempt to shuffle. We'll see. You know what? Wow. Okay. Okay. You know what? We got through it. It may not be one that I bridge, but we're getting it done. Let's just do half and half here, and we'll go from there. Shuffle, shuffle. Okay, let's see if I can overhand shuffle this. Oh, yes, I can. Why, this works the best for me. Okay, I like this. All right. And I will have to say the thinner cardstock, yes, that is a yes for this deck. Okay, can I get a card? Oh, yep. We got 000, Universe Abundance. We love to see this. Okay, the universe abundantly supports you. The force of love is around. This number enhances all attributes of other cards you draw today, creating a powerful connection between you and your angels. Visualize the power of the universe flowing into your being and envision your own creative forces amping up to meet it. Draw another card knowing that the next message will be amplified by this energy. So this is really cool. I'm going to just draw another card on top here. 900 with effects. What you give, you get. All you have sent into the world has been collected and multiplied and is ready to be sent back to you. Take a moment now to reflect. What realizations have you had in recent interactions with people and places? Journal about a lesson you've learned and how you plan to use it to grow. This makes me think of this number as the clear quartz crystal in number form, if that makes sense, because the clear quartz amplifies energy and crystals that it is around. So that's really cool. The last thing I want to do is compare it to the book here. 000. So we have a lot of information too in the beginning about the angel numbers. So if you want to go even deeper, you know, you can check out the book. Let's see. I'm going to try to find it real fast. Okay, well, that was really weird. I do not have the 000 in the book, but I do have the effects here, and it is the same information. And then I do want to point out in the back of the book, we have a angel numbers log. I thought this was really cool. So you write the angel number up here, and when you saw it, where you saw it, the emotional state you were in when you saw it, and then the definition from the book, and then writing your reflection. So this is a great opportunity too, if you're interested in the deck, to really start your own little notebook with this kind of information too. I think this is really cool. I think that this is something that if you are into angel numbers that you would really enjoy using. I like there's a lot of information on the card. I really like the concept. I think it's really cool. I now would love to know what you all think about this. Is this exciting? Is this something that you're interested in? So with that being said, I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck. Is this something that you would use? Is this something that you're excited about? Would you use this for journaling? Would you use this as like a flashcard situation? Let me know. Thank you so much to Simon and Schuster for sending this my way. I am excited to get to know it and play around with it and utilize it in my own day today. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for being here. I am so happy to officially be back, quote unquote. So I am just over the moon. Thank you all. I love you and I like you so much. If you have not done so already, please don't forget on your way out of this video to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And that way you will never miss an upload, a video from me. Thank you all so much and have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.